What's going on? But then the dude went out and then he was like, I don't think so. I don't know. It probably wasn't on. I don't know, maybe something was broken. But this is, I went into it Thursday, I was here yesterday, what's going on?
It used to go off every day for that Rosati's. They got fines. I'm used to it. Now we just gotta wait for the fire truck to get here.
Yeah, I know, it's gonna take 30 minutes.
Time them.
Yeah. Oh. Jeez.
A lot of people start in I think there were only like 6 people. Same here. A lot of people start in their 40s. And I like literally my first race, running race ever was when I was 40. It's much more easier to talk to.
Can't see the strobes, but they are flashing. So the reason for the fire alarms going off in the stores was, well, the reason was it does happen every week. That's what one of the employees told me, the hair cuttery employees. And so it does go off every week, pretty much every day or something, because one of the stores is like cooking something and they set off the smoke detector. So they say it's pretty much normal. So, but I've never experienced the actual fire alarms going off in those stores. It happened when I was waiting for someone to get a haircut, and then we would leave and head back home. And then the alarms went off when he was getting a haircut. So, and then I just went outside in case if it was real or not. Since there was technically 2 exits in that building, it was really easy to get out. But if this was an actual fire, then we would probably just cancel the appointment and just get out of the building immediately. But nothing happened. It was just a simple fire alarm issue. It was just a simple issue that's pretty much normal every week. So there's nothing wrong with the buildings. Nothing burned down. Nothing was on fire. Everything's fine. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Comment if you have any ideas, and I'll see you in the next video.